Let's do this. Here, take the camera. Let's go, guys. Fire! 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 Pussy is fire! Ow.
I'm just kidding. I'm not sleeping.
I got sleeping.
I'm free. Hi.
Come back up. You need to be sleeping. Or go upstairs and play with them. Let them sleep.
Are you drunk?
Yeah, so try. Not funny. Let a minute and Split City sleep.
She's not sleeping. She was just wide awake 2 minutes ago.
Well, Felicity's sleeping. Leave Felicity alone. Alright? She's trying to go to sleep. Let her go to sleep. If you're going to go upstairs and play, go upstairs and play. James, turn that. Brendan? I got 1 beer left. I'm not kidding right now. You better be in bed.
Wait, in bed?
Well, upstairs. Let them sleep down here. They're trying to sleep.
Wait,
I have no blanket this weekend.
There you go. Got that one right there. You're not even going
close it! Close it! Not your sleeves. Fine.
It wasn't even.
I know.
It wasn't even locked.
And this is,
Knife ratchets.
and that is.
BBR. Peace out. I don't know my name. I forget. I'm so stupid. I don't know my name.
Yes, we all know.